a behavioral health specialist is basically a therapist. We provide mental health therapy for things like depression, anxiety, panic attacks, those sorts of things. So with NGPG, we have kind of something for every part of you, and I think that the really neat part about that is that all of these parts can talk to each other. So from a provider standpoint, it's really great because if I have a patient who I've been seeing for therapy who experiences a crisis and goes to the hospital, I'm kind of automatically notified about that, and I can kind of follow them through that progress. And then once they're in the hospital, their providers there know that, hey, I don't need to waste time on discharging you to somebody else's care. I already know who your therapist is, and I can see what was going on before you came in here, and we can communicate about that. So it takes a lot of the work out of it for the patient. And you know, as a person who receives healthcare through the system, and my family too, I will say that it's really nice to have a whole system in place, that I don't have to piecemeal my care together, and I can just kind of go one-stop shopping almost. But on the behavioral health side of this, it is that integrated part. This is a new way of doing mental health care, and I think it's going to be the way that things are done in the future, because it does remove so many barriers for patients. Sometimes there will be people coming in to see me who we kind of realize through the course of the interview it's not going to be a good fit, whether it's scheduling or just the issue they're coming in with. I know somebody who has more training specifically on that, and I might refer them out. But when I go to look for other providers for people that may not be me, it's a challenge for me to find that, and I have my own resources and channels, so I can't imagine what it's like for people to just blindly be calling other therapists and trying to figure it out. So this really kind of takes all the guesswork out of it for a patient.